Hello YouTube. I just wanted to share with you an upcoming project. These are Lionel G scale passenger cars, and you can see the size of them. I guess they're like a fat 1/32. When I say fat, I should say short, a stubby 1/32, and they have contacts in the wheels or beside the wheels that make the inside light up, but it's sporadic. And I got a bulb out here, so I'm thinking of converting these to LED, but I definitely will be fixing this one and running them a little bit. So they're actually kind of nice. They got some detail on them, and I like the way the little shadows are, the people inside. But anyway, that's a future project, Project 1,000,001, and a line of things to do. But anyway, stay safe this weekend. Think ahead. Bye-bye.